Now, shutters are considered a premium window treatment for your windows, left for high budgets and high-end homes, but not anymore because the Refinery has made a way for your everyday Kiwi to afford their easy-to-install DIY window shutters. If you are like us and have never been able to afford the shutter game, then I am going to share with you what I have discovered from having these shutters in our own home and our most recent renovation project, the parental pad. Now let's start with the basics. The Refinery shutters are made from basswood or PVC. They are louvers that are mounted into a solid frame. The louvers are controlled by a tilt rod to allow different levels of light filtering and privacy. The frame itself can be mounted various ways and also can be opened. With shutters, you have a window treatment that can be specified to exactly your window size, shape, and style. And you would not believe the extent of options there are when it comes to shutters. You can custom make your shutters in any size, most shapes. There are 3 options of louver size and different types of frames for various mounting options. The shutters themselves are made out of basswood or PVC and come in a wide range of colours. The Refinery have a wide range of classic whites, neutrals, and wood stains, and they also provide the option of a custom colour too. And then there are different shutter styles like full-size French doors, sliding doors, bifolding doors that all have different ways of opening. So yeah, so many options. Now let's talk about what impressed me the most about having Refinery shutters in our own home. The first one is light control. Now I feel like with window treatment, normally the biggest question is, does it block out light? And my answer is that yes, shutters effectively block out light, and even more so than probably a Venetian or a roller blind. But there are ways to customize your shutter for it to block out even more light. Shutters can also give you more control of light filtering throughout the day because the louvers can rotate 180 degrees, giving you more options of how much light that you let in. When it is cold, you look at losing 15 to 22% of your heat through your windows. And then when it's hot, your windows let in a whole lot of sunlight, which heats your room up quickly. And this is where shutters work wonders for the installation in your home. Now, both the homes that I'm talking about have single glazed windows, have limited insulation, and only have one heat pump. And we have noticed a significant difference that rooms are made warmer in winter and cooler in summer. And this is where you need to consider the true cost of a product in your home. Because while you have a one-off cost of your shutters, you reduce the ongoing cost of heating and cooling your home year in and year out. And the girl math on that one is pretty good. Caleb loves a window and looking outside, so his main reservation around shutters was it obstructing the view. And that's a fair point because shutters do integrate into the window. That is why they look so pretty. This is what I've realized, that the frame of the shutters often mirror the frame of the window itself. So for the most part, you aren't actually losing that much view. The louvers themselves are large, so while it is going to impact your view, it is minimal. And this, I think, is an important point. While you do get an obstruction of your view, it is totally justified by the amount of privacy you gain from the outside. With only a slight tilt of the shutter, you gain so much privacy within your house and still let in a significant amount of light. From my experience, and this is like 13 houses deep here, I found that shutters give you a great view to the outside, but also a significant amount of privacy. The next is complete customization. For the parental pad, we were really limited at times because the walls are prefab slim walls, and I just assumed shutters were not an option. Lucky for me, the team at Refinery suggested an outside mount. Now, because my parents want nothing to do with the colour white, they were so excited about the extensive range of colour options and went for this beautiful mushroom. Then once I had placed my order, the Refinery team got in touch and went through everything I selected. We made sure that it would work for the space, and they also gave me suggestions of how I could enhance the shutters even more. I appreciated the fact that I could order with confidence because they had gone through and checked everything with me before the order was locked in and in production. The final thing is this: DIY saves you money and it is easy to install even for a shutter rookie. The Refinery has made a way for New Zealand homes to have these gorgeous shutters at an affordable price. Their shutters are sent into production just once a month, meaning bulk shipping to save and reduce costs. They also have customers self-measure and order the shutters themselves, again to reduce costs. And their extensive website has all the information that you need to order correctly and with confidence. And then once your shutters arrive, it is a simple DIY task to install, and all you need is a drill and a level. You are looked after by the Refinery team for the whole process, and the results are stunning.